Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here we are going to check out this very simple but amazing music beats mixer application. Right, so basically it's a mobile app which is built on KivyMD, and this is how it comes up when you open it on a desktop. Right, so the screen is extremely mobile friendly. So whether you open it on Android or iOS, it can adjust itself. Right, so this is the main functionality. This is a beautiful one of the key features of this application. Now, how this application works and what all things a user can do on this application, that's what we are going to see. So stay tuned with me and watch this video from the start till the end without skipping anything, because we are going to talk about the coding part also, besides checking out the functionalities of this application. Right, so stay tuned with me. Let's not waste any more time and straight away dive into the tutorial. So as you can see, this is the landing page where the user is going to come when he will first open the application. Now he is going to see these 6 options. If you want, you can create more options also based on your requirements. But for now, I'm going to show you only these 6. Right. Now, what happens if I click on kick? So it has become active, right? And you can hear some kick beats in the back end, right? I hope you're able to hear it, correct? Fine. Now let's check out piano. Okay, so this is how you can, this is how you can mix up the beats and you can create your own songs. Fine. Now we are going to see the coding section, what all things are there in the coding part, and how this application is working like the way you have seen. Right, so let's go back to this main.py file, and this is where the whole code resides. So as you can see, we have used KivyMD, right? And then if I come down here, we have this function called kick update. So there are two things that have been defined over here: inactive and active. Then it is activing, right? And then it becomes true. So what happens is, initially all the buttons are inactive. Now if you click any button, automatically one of the functions gets executed by the interpreter, which makes the inactive thing active. And finally, we see this activing thing on the button, and then it becomes true. It becomes true means it becomes active. Same thing we have done for all the 6 buttons that you're seeing over here. Okay, so there are 6 different functions: one for hi-hat that you're seeing here, then one for clap, one for piano, one for harp update, and the last one for guitar. Right, then we have this update named function over here, which is actually controlling the beats. Okay, so this update here, if you see, we are calling this kick.wave file that we have kept over here in this loops name directory. Okay, then we have this hit hat.wave again, which is there in this loops name directory. So basically, what is happening once this button becomes active, this file starts. Okay, and we get to hear its sound in the backend. Now, how the sound is going from low to high, how this beat step is working. That's what I'm going to show you. So for that, we'll have to come down, and there is an if control statement which is basically working behind this progress bar. So if you see here, if the value of the progress bar is 100, then it will go to 12.5. If it reaches to 12.5, it will then go to 25. If it reaches to 25 at any point of time, it should be increased by 15.5. Sorry, it should be increased by 12.5, and it should reach to 37.5. This is basically the if control statement which is controlling the whole progress bar, right? So it's a very simple application, right? But it's an amazing application, that you can create on your own without any difficulty. This is the code, and if you want it, you can let me know about it. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number, right? And if you want me to develop something like this for you guys or for your business, you can let me know about that too. And also, if you want to learn to develop these kind of things, you can contact me on my number, right? I'll be happy to help you guys out. This is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.